Maximum temperature 42 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 27 degrees Celsius, mostly sunny. Thank you. Gold prices soar records in Hyderabad. Summer districts, Hyderabad and Telangana districts. Sport news is brought to you by Srivela Outlet by Sport news. IPL 2024 points table. Lucknow Super Giants move up to 4th while Royal Challengers Bengaluru stay at 9th. Minor Yadav holds fastest ball of IPL 2024 with a speed of 156.7 kilometers per hour.
Thought is brought to you by Satanic of Thought. Push yourself because not one it is going to be take for you. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
What is brought to you by Kerala Word. Motivation means a driving force behind a human action. Friends, please spell after me. M-O-I-T-I-P-A-T-I-O-N. Motivation. Thank you. I expect on verified corals is here to amend into some fact number 1. The only two animals can see behind themselves without turning their heads are the parrot and rabbit. Fact number 2. The invent of Thomas Edison is the full form of UN? I repeat again, what is the full form of UN? Sorry, you did not give the answer. The answer is United Nations. Question for grade 4. How many parts of speech are there? Just you pick the right answer. Let us answer it. Question for grade 5. Which type of letter is written to principal? Just you pick the right answer. Let us answer it. Thank you.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. Indian will be and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
And today's international and national news is brought to you by Sanvi of Grade 8 Jasper. International news. 12-year-old suspect arrested for shooting in Finland school that killed one student. Several people hurt in Texas crash as several storms hit central US. National news. Congress announces first list of 34 candidates for Arunachal Assembly. FIR against NGO for damaging lake in Bangalore. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. Today's state and sports news is brought to you by Nifat of Grade 8 Jasper. State news. SSC public examination results are expected to be released in May. JEE Main April 2024 exam schedule and important details. Class 9 student rounds in tank in Jeptel. Sports news. RCB versus LSG emotional roller coaster landing their second win in a row. Lucknow Super Games delivered a third loss to Royal Challengers Bengaluru in fourth outing. Thank you.
Today's weather report is brought to you by Raghuram of Grade 8 Jasper. Weather report. Maximum temperature 42 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 32 degrees Celsius. Mostly sunny. Thank you.
Today's word thought brought to you by Nityasri from Grade 8 Jasper. Thought. Courage to continue matters more than success or failure. I repeat it again. Courage to continue matters more than success or failure. Thank you.
Today's word is brought to you by Nikhila from Grade 8 Jasper. Word, courage. It means the ability to do something that frightens one. Friends, please spell after me. Courage. Courage. C-O-U-R-A-G-E. Courage. Courage. Thank you.
Brought to you by Pradhan and Rahul of Grade 8 Jasper. Fact number 1. Blue whale have the longest neurons in the world. Fact number 2. That semidians can shoot its tongue out at 2.6 km per second speed to catch its prey. Fact number 3. The cells also interact with each other through special biochemicals called cytokines and interleukins.
Fact number 4. Maximum oxygen of Earth comes from the oceans. Fact number 5. A cloud might weigh about 1 million pounds. Fact number 6. The body produces 25 million new cells every second. Thank you.